Hi everyone, and welcome to this video where we will be discussing headings and paragraphs in HTML. We will be using Visual Studio Code with Live Server to demonstrate how to add different types of headings and paragraphs into our code. Let's start by adding the HTML boilerplate code in Visual Studio Code. You can do this quickly by typing !_ followed by tab on your keyboard. This will create the basic HTML structure for you. And then let's open Live Server and put the browser window next to our editor to see our changes automatically when we save. Now that we have our basic HTML structure, let's add some headings. HTML has 6 different levels of headings, ranging from H1 to H6. Let's add all 6 of them to our index.html file. As you can see, each heading level has a different size and importance, with H1 being the largest and most important heading, and H6 being the smallest and least important. Now that we have our headings set up, let's add a paragraph to our index.html file. We can do this by using the p element, which is used to define a paragraph of text. And that's it. We've successfully added headings and paragraphs to our index.html file using Visual Studio Code and Live Server. Remember, headings and paragraphs are essential elements in HTML that help structure and organize your content. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.